What's up, guys? I'm back looking around and went back to where I found that little blunt hafted scraper, and sure enough, look at this guy. Let's pick it up. Hey, that is a sweet color right there. Man, that's neat. Broken tool, broken scraper or something. Hey, I will take that. Thank you. I will take that any day. That's super cool. Get it washed up at the end and take a better look. Keep looking. All right. We looked around some more. I wanted to get this on film because it's pretty cool. I marked it and then I kept going. And as y'all saw, I found that broken tool. I think it's back this way. I went back to where I found that one yesterday that washed out. And what'd I do with that? I think it's back this way. I marked it. I had dead batteries in the camera, and well, maybe I should have started filming when I found where I was going. Don't fall down there, man. It's a long way. But that's where all the deer are. They're down there feeding, man. They don't have any reasons to be up here right now. Now when the rut hits, they will. But it's a big bottom down there. It's beautiful. I'm hoping to get the spotting scope out pretty soon and sit out here on the bluff one evening and do a little glassing and see what comes out. Holy moly. So I cannot find that marker. It's a spoiler alert here. It's just a tip. But I'm looking around high and low, man. You're not gonna believe it, dude. I just came across this dude. No way. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Dude. Thank you. Oh, that's so cool. That's so stinking cool, man. The rain washed out another beauty. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Fan-stinkin-tastic. Slam-a-damma, baby. Woo! That's so cool. Oh, man. Yes, thank you very much. Wow. That's great. I will take that, and maybe I'll find that tip. I mean, I have no idea. I've walked back and forth numerous times. Cannot find it. It's a real pretty tip, but I don't know where it is. Anyways, that's pretty neat. I'll wash it up at the end here. All right. After many much efforts, golly, it took forever to find that sucker. I was way off. But here it is. Nice tip. Real nice tip. Yeah. All right. Very cool. Real nice tip there. Thank you. I will take it. I got a couple more minutes, then we got to scoot. I'll clean that one up too, and we'll get a better look at it. That would have been a real nice point. All right, dead batteries. Thanks for holding down the fort.